doing it again. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, we're hosting another Kundalini retreat.
Yes, and it's a 3-day immersion for women only, which is why it's going to be very intense. It is the Sacred Spiral Journey.
Yeah.
So it is going to be at the Breathing Space in Hickling Broad, and it's exactly the same time as we did last year. I can't believe we've even got the dates.
Yeah,
exactly done. The same dates. That's just amazing.
Yeah.
So it will be from the 25th of April to the 27th of April. That's a whole weekend. And yes, it is after the Easter weekend. So it's not the Easter weekend, it's the following weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to be a 3-day immersion and a really intimate women's, as Katrina was saying, women's space. And this year we're focusing on detoxification. So we're really looking at how we digest life. There's a lot of consuming going on in this world, and I feel it's really important to educate ourselves and our bodies through deepening our relationship that we have with our bodies through the Kundalini practices, so that we can learn how to digest our emotions, how to digest life.
Yes.
So we've got some really beautiful workshop and little extra special bits going on. Do you want to share a little bit about the practices?
So we're going to be doing lots of Kundalini yoga, as you can imagine, but the focus is going to be on detoxification. So we'll do a lot of kriyas, meditations, and our focus is going to be on releasing stuff that we don't want to hold on in the body and in the mind. We will do colon cleansing kriyas, selection of exercises, movements, and meditations that help us with improving our digestive system and our lymphatic system as well. We're also going to be looking at eating the right foods to sustain us in this detoxification process. And something special is coming up this time compared to what we had last time. We didn't have this last time. So Katie, do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, definitely. So feeling very grateful that we're able to offer this as part of the retreat. And we're going to be offering a Temescal, a sweat lodge, and that's going to be held and hosted by Brett. So he will share some more in-depth detail about this, but if you haven't been to a sweat lodge before, it's a really, really lovely space for detoxification, for cleansing. It's a beautiful ceremony and ritual, and it also takes you on quite a journey as well in that space. So yeah, it's going to be on the Sunday that we're going to be doing the sweat lodge, so on our last day, to really just complete that kind of process, that journey, that immersion that we're going to be going on over these 3 days. So yeah, it's a really beautiful opportunity if you haven't done one before to experience, and yeah, it's really, really powerful. It's a really powerful space.
I've not actually done a sweat lodge before myself, so this is going to be a very new experience for me, and I'm really excited about it because I've heard so many good things about it, and you know, it's going to be amazing. A chance for us women to connect with each other and to
by the fire.
Yeah, and we're going to have the fire lit the night before, possibly.
Possibly.
There's going to be like this exciting chance to kind of like, you know, connect around the fire, you know, like the way that we're supposed to.
Yeah.
So
the way that we've known.
Exactly.
Tapping into that ancient wisdom, you know, storytelling and by the fire and dancing and sharing and connecting. So it's a really beautiful space for that.
So we're looking at Kundalini Yoga, and within Kundalini Yoga you've got your meditations, you've got your kriyas, which is a selection of movements that go with breath work and vocalization. We've also got mantras.
So in the morning sadhana, there'll be some lovely mantra
Katie
singing.
will be leading the sadhana practice in the morning, which will be amazing.
Yeah.
And will connect you to your soul. So Kundalini Yoga is the type of yoga that connects you to you. You know, it's a direct connection between your physical body and your soulful body. So it's
an awakening of the soul.
Absolutely, an awakening of the soul. So we both deliver Kundalini in very different ways. So coming together, this is a very special experience, and we'd love you to join us and experience it too, because there's nothing quite like it.
Yeah, and we had a beautiful experience last year that we done a similar but different focus last time.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to expanding ourselves and the space and what we're going to be offering as well.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And another important thing is the food.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we have learned from our last retreat, and we're going to be upgrading the selection of food that we will be having. So that will be interesting.
Yeah, and it will really align also with this kind of journey that we're taking you on with elimination. So clean, simple foods, but nutritious and sustainable as well.
Exactly.
That's really important. We both love food, so good
Yeah.
food is very important.
So
and nourishment is also really important.
That's true. So now we need to talk about the price.
Yes. So it's $640, and we're asking for a deposit of £120.
That's right.
And with that deposit, it's going to be based on a first come, first served in terms of rooms. So there is the option for a single room or a twin shared room. So based on who comes first, you can choose the room that you would like.
Exactly. Yeah. So we have already generated quite a lot of interest in this. So, get in quick. Because it's not one to miss. It's an amazing experience, and we'd love to have you join us. And, it's a very intimate journey amongst us and yourself, So
sorry. I was just going to say, it will take you with that intimacy. It's about really getting to know yourself and each other, like-hearted, women in that space, and it's really taking you on an internal cleansing and awakening and an empowering weekend of well-being.
That's
so
right.
We're really focusing on the importance of well-being on all levels.
On all levels. It's not just physical body, but your emotions, your mental, soulful, spiritual, the auric body, the subtle body, everything,
all the 10 bodies.
All the 10 bodies. We don't leave them out.
So it really is like a transformation from the inside out, you know, and it's going to be really, it's going to be, I know, I feel it.
Yes, absolutely.
really beautiful.
So we'd like to invite you to come and join us, and please get in touch with either myself or Katie. We'll give you information below the video so you can contact us, and we look forward to hearing you, and we look forward to bringing you on this beautiful magical journey with us.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, please reach out to either of us. Would you like to know more? We're happy to connect and share and also begin that process, of perhaps connecting and sharing a bit deeper about it before actually kind of committing. So feels good.
That feels good.
Lovely.
Lots of love to you.
Yes, we hope to meet you soon.
We hope to meet you. Namaste.
Namaste. Sat Nam.
Sat Nam.